wifey and I here. We're gonna try out Hedi. Everyone says this game is a lot of fun. We haven't played it yet. We're back at the win, back with another 100, back to make hundreds, if not thousands more.
Welcome to Hedi.
Oh, thank you.
Every day is an Oktoberfest.
Oh, okay. I'm a fan of German beer. Thank you. Oh my goodness, what is this? First bet. Oh my goodness. I think you get 5 Hedis. But that would have been a first spin magic. I think, yeah, the beers are wild, and then Hedi is a symbol. So if you get a red Hedi, that's a very good bonus it'll trigger. But those are the things up there. I hope all y'all are doing well. It is Saturday here at the Win. Ready to win. Yeah, the house is just one of the symbols. No, I think she is the wow, that's a lot of beer. She is the scatter symbol, I'm pretty sure. So you want to get like, yeah, that. So win up to 100 free spins. Oh, here we go. Oh, wow. I almost, just barely, it didn't cross that line over there, but it should have been. I agree. Oh. What was that first spin? That was crazy. Can you show dollars? No, it doesn't. That first spin I thought was going to be it. Maybe 50 cents was it. See, the red Hedi is what you want. But excited to figure this out as a team. Come on, Klaus. Yoo-hoo, Klaus. Oh. Wow. It doesn't? Maybe now. You were just saying. Oh, okay, we got it. Nice. I think. Because we have a million Hedis on there. Okay. Wifey said don't touch her boobs. I wasn't even thinking about that. But I'm going to touch that. Oh, look at this. Yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo. The wilds stay there and they lock. So that's good. I think we had like 6 Hedis. It was weird because she was all on that second row. Oh, come on. Re-triggers? Please. 4 out of 5. Oh my goodness. Re-trigger. More Hedis. Oh. Okay, well. That was first spin. So yeah, so 4, 5. I think it has to be 5 in a row, and I guess that counts. So I've never seen that before. So she was all on the same second reel. Oh, again? Let's do it again. Red one, red one, red one. Come on, Hedi. Oh, she was right up there. So we do need 5. So we were almost right there. Okay. I like beer. I also like this song. Oh, come on. You have to be like sequential, I guess, obviously. It's not like Dragon Link where you can get them on any reel. Okay, come on. Red one. Okay, red one is the good one. It's a good one, I know. More. I would take more.
Oh, Hedi.
She said don't touch her boobs. Oh, so yeah, we get the wheel. Okay. So, do you want to do it? You do it. Wifey's going to do it. Left to right, left to right, left to right. That was a great spin. Wow. Let's go. What's this gonna be? Grand? 1,000? We'll take Hedi. Oh, purple?
You won the pretzel jackpot.
Oh, it was absolutely the worst one, but I do like pretzels. $8. But I think we still get the bonus round, right? Yeah, do it. Show what you think. Whatever your energy is, whatever you think. So now it has to make up for that. No more schnitzels. Yoo-hoo, Klaus. Oh, Hedi.
The drinks are on me.
Okay. Hans. Okay. Yoo-hoo, Hans. Is there more?
Cheers. Let's have some fun.
Let's. Oh, we got all those Hedis. That would have been great. What's going on here, guys? Okay. So that's nice. You get to Get 2 wheel spins.
Here you go.
Thank you. Oh, put them in the second reel. Okay, a lot of beer. Big symbols. Oh. Oh, Heidi, almost. Where were you on number 3, Heidi? Sprechen Sie Deutsch? Oh, there we go. What a...
I'll give you some extra.
Oh, Hans. Yoo-hoo, Hans. Oh my goodness, come on, big ones. Big symbols. It kind of feels like it, doesn't it? Yeah. Nice.
To play at Heidi's, yeah, she's a real big tease. So I pick up my accordion and give her a good squeeze.
This song. What a song. Okay. I give her my accordion and give her a big squeeze. Is that what Hans just said? Wow. That was fun. Wifey's laughing. We like you, Heidi. Thank you. So we're up $17 so far. Oh, again. Oh, come on. That's a lot of Heidi's, but it's not like dry. It has to be like 1, 2, 3. That's unfortunate how many that was. But oh, come on. Oh, keep going. Oh, that's still pretty good though. It's interesting it's a 6-reel game. Oh, come on. Oh, Heidi. That's a lot of Heidi. That should do it. Oh. We don't want the hat. We don't want that schnitzel either. No more schnitzels. It gave us $8 last time, the schnitzel. Oh, okay. No wilds. That'd be nice if she counted as a wild or like a symbol too. Okay. Oh goodness, come on. Red again. Oh, there's so many. Oh, 50 million? 50. She says I could have stopped it. What do you guys think? Do you guys stop it or is it pre-generated? Again? Oh goodness. Well, what? There was like 200,000 that went by and then none of them stopped. Is Hans not a wild? It's just the best symbol, I guess. That would have been good. That was crazy. How many of those were there? Come on, Heidi. Oh, okay. How does that third one not connect? I guess it's not aligned. Heidi, will you come down over there? We're thirsty. We need some more beer. Oh, I thought she did it right away as I asked, but she didn't. Trumpets. Come on, Heidi. We need that red one later. The 1 cent does. Should we go to a different denom? 1 cent was kind of giving us some stuff. Oh. I think it, yeah, we can go to 5 or anything. 2. This is $1. Oh, come on, Heidi. I wish it would change the credit. So here's $2 a spin. Oh, was this a great idea? Time will tell. $2 denom. Oh, come on, Heidi. What's the next one? $3. Oh, come on. Oh, keep going. That's pretty good. If only there. If only that schnitzel was Hans. We don't want your schnitzel. Oh. We don't want your schnitzel, Hans. Yeah. It's different because it's 6 reels. I think it's just like the ways. Was it 240 ways or is this actually on lines? Okay, that would have been good if he was in the middle. So the beer is for sure wild. This is not good? You're the one that suggested it, buddy. So what should we do now? 50 cents? Maybe she gave us a bunch of bonuses and like that's it. Or maybe not. Look at all of them Heidi's. Where were we on reel 2? Yeah, they haven't been showing up. Now they're showing up. We saw some schnitzels. Oh, she keeps showing up on the first one. I mean, again. But her friends aren't, sisters aren't showing up. Come on, what is this? It's like 5 in a row with Heidi on number 1, and then now when we needed her, she wasn't there. I don't know what's happening, people. Is she toying with us? I think she is. I think we know that. Oh, goodness. A bright sunny day. Oh. Okay. Let's go back to $1. I'm glad we got the red Heidi on that one, but now it left us wanting for more, but she's been kind of mean now. Oh, where were you on the first reel now? Oh, there she is. But she's like, nah, I'm not bringing my friends though. I don't know about this Heidi situation right now. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Should we try our good bet? Oh, our lucky bet? Let's do 10 more here and see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, lucky number 7. Oh, lucky number 7. No. Oh, that's pretty good. Not really. Number 8, come on. Number 9. Number 10. Wow. What do you think? Should we give 10 more? 10 more? Let's try 10 more spins at our lucky bet. Or should we go to... Let's up it to 250. So we're gonna go to 250, 10 more bets. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 3, 4. My goodness. 5, 6. Lucky number 7. Heidi. She keeps showing up in that first one, but 8, 9, 10. Heidi, what happened to our good times? I mean, lower, yeah. So wifey says just finish off. I think that's a prudent idea. We'll try 150 was our lucky one earlier. I mean, oh, okay. Some stuff, lots of beer. Let's see if we can get something going here. Some houses for 30 whole cents. Oh, we just need one more bonus, Heidi, okay? We're best friends here. Did she hear us? No. No. Why there? Why not there? We're trying, people. I mean, this is a fun game. It's super, like that song. We just want to hear Hans' song again. There's Hans, but oh my goodness, Hans. We want to hear your song again. Yeah, I mean, it's just like, it's really like weird lines. I mean, okay, we have 10 more bets. Let's do this together. Oh, some schnitzels. Some schnitzel. Come on, Heidi. What happened?
She let you win at the beginning so that you keep...
That's what I think a lot of machines do. Like, you'll win some in the beginning, you'll win like 20, 30 bucks. And then like, if you're not betting huge, and then you have to just dump in a lot more to kind of like, that's how they get the rest of your money. Oh, where was the first one? There's the first one. Yeah, I know a lot of y'all think the same way. that like they'll let you win in the beginning. You'll get a couple like big hits. I mean, the machine is gonna pay out when it's gonna pay out. She said do 2 $1 ones. I think that's prudent as well. And if it's meant to be, it's meant to be. It's absolutely not meant to be, but it was a fun game. We liked it. Hans sang a song for us. Maybe we'll try it again later. There's Hans and his friend. But yeah, that was a tale of letting the player win in the beginning, and then towards the end, you know, you kind of want to chase your loss. Maybe, I'm not sure. Someone else got a bonus over there. That's cool. But yeah, we're gonna go find another game over here. It's Saturday. We're at the Win, and we're having a good time. And we'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.